Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Chroma key in Photoshop. So let's get started. If you are new on this channel, please hit the subscribe button now. First of all, you have to choose the image you want to use Chroma key. Now, the first thing is make a layer. A background copy, it's a background copy layer, and then click on the select, click on the color range, and first identify the color. Then click the next pen button and identify the color. You can adjust like this. Okay. Then click on OK. Click on the select and inverse. Now click on the button, layer button, and now click on the eye icon. There you go. In this way you can remove background color in a minute. So, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, do subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. Goodbye, have a great day.